Okay.
Okay, so hello everyone. So my group have 5 members: me, Ziyang, Gaming, Ziheng, and Tung. So today we will present our website. Yeah. So the first part that is our homepage. Okay, you can see it in the header. You can see the logo, the first logo company. Yeah. The second that you can see, I add animation button hover from here about home, about jobs, registrations, enhancement, and login. And we have a titlet that welcome to my company, something about my company, and notification about recruitment. Okay, and my company has a message to participants who want to join my company. Yeah, and down here, this on the left, there is a picture of our company. Down here, there is have a link about the first one that is a Facebook. Yeah. Okay, the second one that's YouTube, and the third one that is a mail. You will move you to the Outlook, and the last one that is the location of our company. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Down the footer, move to the footer. You can see descriptions, and you can see the second column is like the same at the above. Yeah, that is my part. So move to the second part. Is Zuyang.
Okay, so yeah, as you can see, is that my about us page made by me, and on the header you can see that the description is about the information for 5 of us in our teams, and if you press the explore member, it will get down to the bottom of the page, which is the a little information about 5 of us, and in the footer of any page in our team, we will have contact us and the our quick links to the other page. And next up is the job spec made by Duy Hưng.
And the next part is my session is just the position description page, and you can see that me and Anne added some hover effect for every link and every most of the button in our website. Just like this, you can see that the color move from left to the right. And in here, I add the title of this page, position description, and the H2 tab. I add the apply and challenge your limit, just to increase the motivation for the employee. And in here you can press the apply now to move the registration page. You can see that. Scroll down in there, you can see this the quote of our company, and this sentence is created by me coming founder of the math. And the journey begin here. You can is the position we want to recruit. The first one is artificial intelligence field. uh, we want to hire some machine learning engineer, and the specific position is just the same machine learning engineer. And we add a brief description about machine learning engineer in our company, and the responsibility when you work with our team. You can see that proficiency in data analysis tools such as SQL or Python. And and we have some requirements in here. If you're confident enough, you can apply our company. And the final one is the salary for each position. And the web dev, web dev and the business is web dev and business have the structure just like this. For the business, we want to hire some data analyst, just like that. Requirement or something. The structure is the same, and as every page, I add some footer, the quick link, the contact us, and the address. We have introduced at the previous page, and the next part is for Hoàng Tùng registration.
Hello. Within this project, my assigned responsibility involves creating a job application page. I not only meet the specified requirements, but also I implement exceptional widget to enhance user accessibility. My design web page allows users to input personal details, including job reference number and first name, last name, and date of birth, and gender, phone number, and email address, and street address, and state, and postcode, and your skill, and your experience. Subsequently, we collect this user information and subject to proceed with the recruitment process. And Tommy, can you test our webpage?
I will test it later after the enhancement part, and the enhancement part belong to Ji Hưng.
Okay, so you can see some enhancement related to my company. The first one is the slogan. You can see the first part, yes, and you must go through the rain if you want to see a rainbow. So I want to say that all my employees and my teammates that you can follow the sentences to motivate together, and you can scroll down to see some of the description of some of works that look like an aim and to follow that. And the first one is data communication. And you can see that all networks communication together here. And the second one is resource sharing, the remote access and connectivity. And the last one is security and management. So both of them are the minor project to follow first, to have a good contribution of the small project first, and after that we open up all Vietnam, yeah, and you can see some of the footer in the end of the page, yeah, and you can see and you can follow, you can click to some of the link to connect with my teammates to ask some question, or if you have some contribution, and you can contact me too. Yeah, and the last one I want to introduce to you is some of the database that I have insert in the table in the registration page. That's prefer to come in, please.
Okay, I will demo the database system, and I will apply this form just like this. I will add some number, just a random number, and I will fill this input is wrong form. The job reference number must have 5 character, and I just only put 4, just like this. I will put this. Just to check. I will put some input bar the wrong. I will in this I will add the Zhenghui, which is our second campus. Hanoi, and we can select the state in here, Western Australia, and you can put this 1001 is the Hanoi postcode. And then here 3 year experience and only do C. Let's do is IL7 and up and I will apply, and if you want to apply you can click here. Yeah, you can see that the form of some input bar is wrong, so it will transmit the user to the error apply.php. You can see in here the job reference number is wrong. It must have 5 characters. The date of birth or is wrong because the middle need to have 0 in here, just like this. And job reference, I just ask some random number 8764. Yeah, 87654. Yeah, and every answer of the input are right, so they doesn't be deleted. Click here, select. Oh, and you have to select the state, Western Australia, select gender, male, yes, 654, apply. Okay, this is the when we submit the application form, is in the right format. So therefore our data has been saved to the database, which is the SQL table. And now I will move to a kind of special page. Is login. This page is only for the manager. It will transmit to and if we fill in the formation, the right username and password, it will transmit the user to the management PHP, which we can which we can modify, update or delete the participant data. Username just like this. I will fill some wrong data just like this. And password is my birthday. Okay, and you can see that this is an invalid information, so we cannot access the management.php page. Coming child 271024. Oh, coming child is the right information. Yeah, you can see that this our SQL table, and I draw it on the management.php in here. You can see that coming many information in here. And if you want to search someone or something, you can just click here and type for instance, I want to search Hoàng Tung, so I will type Hoàng Tung in here, and if we filter, it only display the Hoàng Tung row in here. You can see that. And if I want to update the job reference number, just like this, I want to you have to put in here the old reference number, just like I want to modify the Dozuyang's job reference number, I will put in here. And the new one is just 0234, just like this. Update. Yeah, you can see that it update in our table and the SQL table also. And if you want to delete a row, you just type the job reference number 87654, just like this, it will delete the last row because it contain job it because it contain this number, so it will delete all the row. Yeah, good. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, this is our presentation about the web page. Thank you for listening.